Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling with Selenium and Chrome profiles specifically? Are you having trouble using Selenium to open a specific Chrome profile? If so, you're in luck because today we're going to tackle this issue head on. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this problem and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. If you've ever tried to automate tasks using Selenium, you know how powerful it can be. However, when working with multiple Chrome profiles, things can get complicated quickly. Perhaps you have different profiles for personal and work-related browsing, or maybe you're trying to test your web application across various user accounts. Whatever the reason, being able to open a specific Chrome profile using Selenium is crucial. In this video, we'll cover what you need to know to overcome this challenge. We'll discuss the importance of understanding how Chrome profiles work, how to identify and access the correct profile, and finally, how to use that knowledge in your Selenium test. By the end of this video, you should be able to confidently open any Chrome profile using Selenium. So, let's dive into it. To begin with, we need to understand how Chrome profiles work. When you create a new profile in Chrome, it generates a unique directory containing all your bookmarks, extensions, and settings for that specific profile. This directory is stored locally on your machine, typically under the yi.configurable Chrome path on Linux or qzrsysr Google user data on Windows. When you run Selenium with Chrome driver, it uses a temporary profile by default. However, we want to use our existing profiles instead of this temporary one. To do so, we need to tell Chrome driver which profile directory to use. To identify the correct profile directory, follow these steps. 1. Open your Chrome browser and navigate to Chrome version. This will show you the profile path among other details. 2. Copy the profile path for the specific profile you want to use with Selenium. 3. Make sure that this profile is not currently running in any other instance of Chrome. Now, let's integrate this knowledge into our Selenium test. When initializing your WebDriver, you can specify the desired capabilities, including the Chrome options. Among these options, you can provide the user data-dir parameter and set it to the path of the profile directory we identified earlier. Here's an example of how you might do this in a simplified scenario, instead of diving into specific code implementation. Let's focus on understanding the process. Essentially, after identifying your desired Chrome profile's user data directory, you can pass this information to Chrome driver through Selenium's desired capabilities or options classes. To summarize, understand how Chrome profiles work and where they are stored. Identify the correct profile path for the profile you want to use with Selenium. Ensure that this profile is not currently in use by any other Chrome instance. Use the identified profile path when setting up your WebDriver, specifying it through the user data-dir parameter within Chrome options. By following these steps and understanding how to integrate specific Chrome profiles into your Selenium tests, you should now be able to successfully open a specific Chrome profile using Selenium. That's all for today. I hope this video has helped clarify things for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your engagement helps me create better content tailored to your needs. If you found this explanation helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more insightful content related to Selenium and test automation. Until next time, happy testing!